Namaskar. I am Dr. Namrata from Drugless Healthcare Center. It is very important to boost our immunity. Microgreens are very much trending food habits now. I suggest to have microgreens to all my patients. So, requested Mr. S.K. Gautamji, who is an agri expert and a very senior person in agri and food industry, to explain how to grow various kind of microgreens so that everyone can grow at their home. So, over to Mr. S.K. Gautam. He will explain everything how to grow at your home. Sir.
Thank you very much. Recently what happened, we have started posting, Dr. Namta has started posting some microgreens grown at home on different social media. So what happened, everyone was asking, so how to grow, what is the procedure, where to grow, what are the ingredients. So there are so many questions from the visitors on the social media.
Yes.
So we both have thought about to put a small video for the growing microgreens at home. The thing is very important that there is nutritional difference between the sprout and microgreens. A sprout, you can say this is a sprout. You can just see these are the sprouts. We just have like we are soaking our gram and different kind of things at home for cooking something. So we are soaking it over the night in the water. So the way we have to grow it, it's a very simple. It's nothing need. You can grow at your home without any additional requirement of anything. You can just see. It's a very simple. You can just see this. This is the tray, which is mostly being served by the Zomato or Swiggy people for serving the food, online food. So it has been used here for the growing this.
We can use disposables.
Disposables, whatever you have at your home. I am not saying you go and buy for it. Yeah, you can just see this is the tray. It is some sweet tray. Some we have received from some nearby. So you can just see the tray. Even you can grow in the plates also, but not all the but some you can just see the plates. This is the plate. We have grown it. And all these other is all you can just see. This is the tray, a cup. Most of the time you are receiving different foods from different suppliers in this kind of cup, and so it's a very simple to grow at home. So first thing you have to take this one, this kind of tray, plastic tray, anything like this. You can grow in any other kind of container also. So you need not any soil or any ingredient to put into that. You just simply put a tissue paper on the surface, lower surface. You can just see this is a tissue paper. We have put up a tissue paper.
No need of soil or anything.
No need of soil. It is hydroponically grown, so no need of soil. So you have to choose some certain seed. You cannot grow all the seeds at your home. I am telling you very frankly. Some people were trying for the wheat. Some people were trying for the different grains, but it is not possible to grow the wheat. Because wheat had certain humidity level, after that it starts smelling or means getting fungal infection, all those things. You will get the sprout, but lot many smells and fungal infection may be there.
Due to this weather.
Not weather, but many times it happens. So I don't say without soil you cannot grow the wheat and many other like other maize or wheat, barley, so they need some medium to grow.
Okay.
If you can grow it, they will sprout it. They will put the shoots also, but it will go at the later stage is going to put a smell or fungal infection. So avoid those things. So simply, what I suggest, you people look for the pulses. Just to start, I want to make you confident about raising the microgreens at home. So start with some microgreens with some pulses like.
Usually I suggest green gram to my patient. Is it okay?
Green gram, moong bean or green gram or black gram, urad, moong, what you say. that is the best to experience it first.
Okay.
Once you get the experience, you can get for the next phase of learnings. So you have to take some green gram. Start with the green gram so that you can get your confidence to grow microgreens at
Easy
home.
to grow.
Easy to grow.
Yes.
So take the green gram, soak it over the night in water. Simply soak it over the night in water, and next morning once you will take out the water and keep it for some days in the dark place. So after, even if you have soaked in the night about 8 o'clock, in the morning you can get a full soaked moonbeam or black gram or udad. So after 4 or 5 years of getting the water out,
4 or 5 days.
no, 4 or 5 hours.
Okay.
After 4 or 5 hours, after getting the water out of the soaking, you will get some sprouts there, like this. You can just see some sprouts are there. So yesterday it was soaked in the water, and this morning up to this time, just you can say afternoon, you get this kind of sprouts. So now this sprout is ready. So next you have to take a tray, any kind of tray, plastic tray, put a tissue paper and put the seed in 2-3 layers, not single layer, 3 or 2
It
layers.
is important.
It is important.
Okay.
The seed quantity is going to be a good. So put at least 3 layers of 2 to 3 layers of the seed, sprouted seed in the tray. And next thing, you have to cover the tray with its lid. So you have to cover the tray with its lid, and you have to get the lid punctured with the holes. You can just see. You can puncture the hole. You can puncture it with a different sharp edge or
Knife or anything. Yeah.
And you have to just cover it like this.
Okay.
You have to pack it like this, so that aeration can be there by these holes, and you can keep it for I think 2 days or 3 days, till the time these sprouts come up to the level of this one.
Okay.
Once the sprouts touches this level or this lid, you have to take it out and keep it in open.
Okay.
And
How much water to give?
Water, if you have any kind of a sprayer,
Okay.
you have to spray in the morning.
Everyone can spray on this. Okay.
In the morning you have to spray it, or in the sometimes in afternoon, maybe afternoon or may
2
not
or
be.
3 times.
Mainly 2 times, morning and evening, because temperature is some humidity is
Just
there.
we have to spray 2 or 3 times water on it.
Two times, I can say morning and evening. And if you find some, you have to drain out the water. So if you find some more water is there, so you have to drain out like this.
Okay.
You have to drain out the water like this, so that there should not be excess water in the container. Otherwise rotting will start and fungal infection may start. But in case of green gram and black gram, it is not possible. Not possible means it may not be there.
Sir, kindly mention the nutrient value as well.
Nutrient value is 40 times higher than this green gram. Sprouted.
Okay.
If you getting sprouted,
Because everyone wants to eat sprouts.
They
used to eat sprouts, and when it is in form of microgreens,
yes,
it will be very much
40
beneficial.
times higher means 40 times higher of its vitamin, minerals and other vital nutrients are 40 times becomes higher. Because sprouts, what happens, sprouts means first roots comes out first, then shoots comes later, and you have to harvest the at the 2-leaf stage.
Okay.
You can just see there
Yes,
are
this
2
is
leaves.
very much important.
And the height of this should not go beyond 3 to 4 inch. 3 inch, start from 2 inch. In different seeds, it is different. Some can be harvested at 2 inch, some can be 3 inch,
Okay.
some can be at
Actually,
later
green
also.
grams always available in all houses.
All houses.
So it is quite sufficient, or very easy for everyone to do green gram.
So you can harvest up to this stage. This is ready to harvest. And one thing in green gram, if you have put up 2-3 layers, you can see just here, it is already harvested. It is second growth.
Okay.
You can just see. One time it has been already harvested. It is the coming up next seeds which has left over at the lower level of the container. So now they are coming up. So it is, we are harvesting at the two times, first and second. So this is also harvested. First one harvested is the second harvest. So at least you can say you can have at least 2 harvests. And the thing is that 2 leaf is sufficient. And one thing is that you can take it as a interior decoration form.
Yes, yes.
You can you just see that
Yeah, very
tray.
much.
If you put up on the center table, it looks
It looks
green,
very nice looking.
very appealing to the
Yes.
because it is simply on plate.
Mhm.
You can put it on this central table or somewhere in open shelf. So it looks very good.
How much
And
light needed, sir?
light, you cannot put it in the sunlight. You need not to put in sunlight.
Okay.
You have to put in the shaded, well lighted
Because in
area.
France there is a lack of sun rays there. So how light is important.
It doesn't mean that you have to put all these things in the sunlight. No, direct sunlight is not required, but it should be well lighted place so that they can grow well towards the light. So I can see I can see there's a number of different crops are there. I can show you. This is the gram.
Okay.
Just see this is gram. Bengal gram. What we take it. So this is the sprouts of the Bengal gram. This is the jowar, sorghum. Sorghum is sprouts. Sorghum is sprouts. This is also sorghum is sprouts. So many things you can grow there, but you have to understand the behavior of the seed. You cannot grow all the seeds at home,
Okay.
because every seeds and every plant has different behavior to grow it.
Okay.
So sometimes they need because I have grown some chia seed also.
Okay.
But since the seed is very teeny seeds, so chia seed if you grow at home, it will take much time, maybe 7 days, maybe 8 days to sprout, and they need immediate nutrients to grow bigger.
Achha.
So it means if you are growing some smaller seed at home, like mustard or like radish or cabbage or red cabbage or amaranth or any kind of seeds which are smaller, they need some media. Means it has to be grown in some coco pit media or compost media, vermicompost media.
Easier way is green gram, I think.
So one can
This is
start
very
with
much
this
easier.
green gram so that you
Okay.
can get a confidence. Rest we can
And it
eat
is very much healthier also.
And it is you can just take it from the just avoid the root and just cut it through scissor and put it in your plate, make it multiple cuttings.
You can
So-
add fruits as well.
You can-
Fruits. You can add seeds also.
Mix
Multi
it.
seeds, mixed seeds you can add with this. Fruits you can add with this. It's very much nutritive breakfast or lunch or any time or as a snack. Snacks you can have this. Okay.
And this different seed takes different times. Means lowest time this green gram, black gram takes lowest time. Means you can get the harvest in 4 to 5 days, maximum 4 to 5 days only. But if it is a winter days,